Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to find elevation on Google Maps. So let's get started the video. Open Google Map and type your location into the search bar. Click on the Layers button. Click on Terrain to show topography and elevation. Zoom into the area on the map where you want to see the elevation. The numbers will appear as you get closer. But don't zoom in too far as the contour and elevation lines will disappear. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.